Hi everyone, this is Curry from Robin Automation. Today, I'm excited to introduce our high-performance box maker. This box maker integrates sheet feeding, creasing, trimming, slotting, scoring, gluing, and hole punching, all completed in one pass. With a maximum feeding width of 2.5 meters and a limited length, meets the diverse demands for cotton ties. Equipped with a seamless touchscreen control system, the box maker delivers high automation and simple operation. The feeding platform uses a vacuum negative pressure design, ensuring every sheet is delivered steadily and accurately. Servo motor control system accurately controls the cutting depth and position of the blade. Keep every cotton flat, beautiful, and of stable quality. If you want to optimize your cotton production, the box maker is the perfect machine to upgrade your packaging line.